GauraNitai Sri Krishna. Nama Om Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prastaya Bhutale Srimate Siddha Swarupananda Paramahamsa Iti Namine Namo Siddha Swarupananda Paramahamsa. Gonna come and put the deities to sleep?
Okay.
Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Well, first, Srila Prabhupada and Bhaktivedanta Swami go over here against this wall. Right up against it, that's the way. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
We've got a little buddy here.
He can stay there. Now get out Lord Nityananda's bed and put it up against the wall there.
This one is...
Yes, that's Lord Nityananda's bed. Hare Krishna. Carefully take off the hair. Hare Krishna. Krishna Krishna. Hare Hare. Hare Rama.
Okay.
Yep. Hare Rama. Rama Rama. Lord Chaitanya's. Hare Hare. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Jewelry. Krishna Krishna. Hare Hare. Hare Rama. Down the bottom. Hare Rama. Yep. Rama Rama. Hare Hare. Necklaces. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Krishna Krishna. Hare Hare. Hare Rama. Hare Rama. Now, yep. Rama Rama. Hare Hare. And maybe don't hang up Lord Chaitanya's because it's a bit chancy to reach past Krishna because you're not quite tall enough. Are you? Hare Krishna.
See?
Oh, okay. Now gently lay down Lord Nityananda. Take off his shawl first and lay him on his bed. Invite him to lie down and rest. Cover him with his blanket. I'll take that. Yeah. Leave his dhoti on. Hare Krishna. Leave it on. Hare Krishna. Krishna Krishna. Hare Hare. Hare Rama. Hare Rama. Rama Rama. Hare Hare. Yeah. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Yeah, just unfold it. Yeah, like that. And tuck it in nicely. Please take your rest now, my dear sweet Lord Nityananda. Krishna Krishna. Move the freesias. Hare Hare. They can just go over the front. Hare Rama. Now, take off Lord Chaitanya's shawl. Hare Rama.
Where does Krishna go?
Rama. He stays. Hare Hare. Let's just move them back just a little.
I'm just so scared of...
I'm so scared of knocking him over. Let's move Lord Chaitanya in front and you can put down Lord Chaitanya's bed. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Right over here. Krishna, Krishna. Now lie down, Lord Chaitanya. Hare, Hare. Careful. Hare Rama.
I was like, what is she?
Hare Rama. Get his blanket. Rama, Rama. Hare, Hare. Wrong way around. Hare Krishna. Hare
Did you
Krishna.
make these beds? Blankets?
Krishna, Krishna. Hare, Hare. Please take your rest now, my dear sweet Lord Chaitanya. Okay, let's take off Krishna's crown. Do you know how to hold it?
Sure.
Just focus on Krishna. Dear sweet Krishna.
You don't trust me?
Put you to sleep now.
Not even scared to admit it.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Krishna, Krishna. Hare, Hare. Hare Rama. Hare Rama. Rama, Rama. Hare, Hare. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Krishna, Krishna. Hare, Hare. Hare Rama. Hare Rama. Rama, Rama. Hare, Hare. Dear sweet Krishna, we hope you enjoy your nighttime pastimes, whatever it is you're going to get up to tonight. Have fun, and we'll see you in the morning. Jaya Krishna.